Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, red color, yellow color, blue color, black color and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S, the alphabets of S, and use yellow color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.